Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to remove and replace a dual shutoff valve. We decided to replace an old continuous turn shutoff valve with a quarter turn dual valve before we installed our new garbage disposal. And since we were already under the sink, this was the best time for us to do it. For this project, you're going to need an adjustable wrench, bucket or towel, Teflon tape, and a replacement dual shutoff valve. Step 1. Shut off the main water supply. We don't want you all wet, so don't rely on the old valve. Step 2. Open nearby faucets to relieve water pressure. Let the water drain out of your bathroom sink or tub before you disconnect anything. Step 3. Disconnect the supply lines. Use an adjustable wrench and catch any remaining water with a towel or bucket. Step 4. Remove the old valve. For compression valves like this one, unscrew the nut and pull off the valve. Step 5. Clean and prep the pipe. Wrap Teflon tape around the valve connection to help stop water from leaking. Step 6. Install the new valve. If you have a compression valve, slide on the nut and ferrule, then tighten the valve onto the pipe. Step 7. Reconnect the supply lines. Make sure each line is securely fastened to the correct outlet. Step 8. Turn the main water back on. Check for leaks, and if there aren't any, you're done.